This location, you're never going to be short of Girl Guide biscuits, are you? Right next door that make the perfect neighbours. Now, built in the 1930s. This is gold, where they measured twice and they cut once. Do I imagine how many stories these 4-inch floorboards could tell? Today, opening bidder offer. Who wants to own this classic 1930s home? Where do we say them? Two ladies here smiling. Would you ladies like to have a go? No, but it's not the first or last time a lady's laughed at me, I'll give you that tip. What about this young couple? I remember when I used to look as young and youthful as you guys, many years ago.
700?
700. Good luck in your endeavours, sir. I'll be needing that hat, that beanie later on too, probably. But at 700,000, we are underway for a little 25 for the good life. Only 10% down today. What about my ladies that turned up late? Rules at Harcourt, you have to bid second. I won't hold my breath, eh? At 700,000, out of it now. Waste the money. Now, guys, this could be your lucky day. I'm telling you. This is what I'm going to do, though. I'm going to place one vendor bid at 725,000. That's it from me, right? I've identified you guys as my cash interest. If you want to see the paperwork, I'm happy to show it to you for the want of another bid. At 725 now, Claire's not selling the property at those numbers. I place it unashamedly at 725. But guys, 750, thank you. Now at Cooper & Co, we're not here to run you up, we'll just have a more comfortable conversation next door. Okay guys, the lovely couple here have graciously increased their bid to 815,000 New Zealand dollars. At 815, they'll be joining the neighbourhood. They look like good neighbours as well. Hold tight for the one other bid, we're on the market and we sell. This is what you get when you list with Team Lundquist. But at 815,000, is there a little 20? Would someone like to make a cameo? Look at you two giving each other a couple. Love it. What's at 815,000? Twice the offer at 815 of it now. Are there any surprises? Twice the revocable time at 815. Well, it goes, and it is sold to the lovely couple here. Well done, guys.